Now we will see the dimensions for the base cabinet. The base cabinet is mainly equipped with your furniture part and your drawer system. So here we needed to check out the sizes of our utensils and we needed to accurately planning the cabinets. But ideally you can see in this picture we are having these three kinds of systems. One, we are having a double drawers, one we are having a pull out, or one we are having a three storage drawers. So three storage drawers. In first we are having a height of a 6 inch, 8 inch and 15 inch. Why we need a 15 inch over here? Because ideally the thali or plates of our utensils will having a size of a 12 inch. So we need the gaps of a 3 inch for its circulation space.